Hello everyone, if you want to play unreleased cards like Kashtira, this is the tutorial for you. First, please download both zip archives from the video description. After downloading the local data zip, unpack the contents of the local data folder into your game's installation local data folder. If there are any other folders on the right, delete them or move them out. This is important so that a wrong local data folder will not be picked up by the game. Now wait till the copying process finished or continue with the next step at the same time. Now do the same copying with the YGO master zip, but do it in the main installation folder of Master Duel. This will finish much quicker than the local data folder copying. Finally, make sure that Master Duel bot and Master Duel are closed. Master Duel bot is currently not compatible with YGO Master. Run the YGO Master client exe in order to begin playing. You will be using a custom offline mod server with a pre-built Kashtira deck. Thanks to Pixeltris for the mod and British Piper for the help. Also note that when you play the official version of the game again, you will be overwriting the local data automatically. Either back up the folder or extract the local data zip again to play with the unreleased cards. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.